Welcome back to Bitcoin Dorks, your daily source for the latest cryptocurrency news and market updates. In today's video, we will be discussing a significant development in the crypto regulatory landscape. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has finally provided a response to Coinbase's request for regulatory clarity. This response has been highly anticipated by the crypto community, as it could have far-reaching implications for the industry. Let's dive in and explore the details. Coinbase, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the United States, has been at the forefront of pushing for regulatory clarity in the industry. As the crypto market continues to grow and evolve, Coinbase recognizes the importance of having clear guidelines and regulations in place to ensure a fair and transparent marketplace for investors and participants. In their letter to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, Coinbase outlined several key areas where they sought regulatory clarity. One of the main concerns raised by Coinbase was the classification of digital assets. With a wide range of cryptocurrencies available in the market, it becomes crucial to establish clear guidelines on which tokens are considered securities and which are not. Such clarity would provide much-needed certainty to market participants and help them navigate the regulatory landscape effectively. Coinbase sought guidance on existing securities laws and their applicability to digital assets. As the traditional securities framework was established before the advent of cryptocurrencies, there is a need to evaluate whether these laws adequately address the unique characteristics and functionalities of digital assets. Coinbase emphasized the importance of striking the right balance between investor protection and fostering innovation in this rapidly evolving industry. Coinbase's letter highlighted the need for clarity on investor protection measures. With the increasing popularity of cryptocurrencies, it is essential to ensure that investors are adequately informed about the risks and potential rewards associated with digital asset investments. Clear guidelines on disclosure requirements, anti-fraud measures, and custody of digital assets would go a long way in enhancing investor confidence and promoting a healthy and secure marketplace. Coinbase's request for regulatory clarity reflects its commitment to operating within a well-defined legal framework while promoting innovation and market integrity. By seeking guidance from regulatory authorities, Coinbase aims to establish a level playing field for all market participants and create an environment that fosters responsible growth and development of the crypto industry. After months of anticipation, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has finally provided a response to Coinbase's request for regulatory clarity. The SEC's response acknowledges the importance of clear and consistent regulatory guidance for the cryptocurrency industry and emphasizes its commitment to investor protection and market integrity. In their letter to Coinbase, the SEC highlights their ongoing efforts to evaluate the regulatory framework surrounding digital assets. They express a willingness to engage with market participants and industry stakeholders to better understand the complexities and nuances of the cryptocurrency market. The SEC recognizes the need for clarity in areas such as the classification of digital assets, securities laws applicability, and investor protection measures. The SEC also emphasizes the need for careful consideration and analysis of these matters. They highlight the evolving nature of the cryptocurrency market and the potential risks involved, including market manipulation, fraud, and cybersecurity concerns. The SEC stresses the importance of striking the right balance between fostering innovation and protecting investors. While the SEC's response does not provide specific regulatory guidance or conclusive determinations, it signifies their acknowledgement of the industry's concerns and their willingness to engage in a dialogue with market participants. The response indicates that the SEC is actively monitoring developments in the crypto space and is committed to working toward regulatory clarity. It involves considerations of investor protection, market stability, technological advancements, and international coordination. The SEC's response reflects its cautious approach to ensure that any regulatory decisions are well informed and take into account the unique characteristics of the digital asset ecosystem. As Coinbase and other industry participants continue to engage with regulators, it is expected that further discussions and collaborations will shape the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies in the United States. Clarity and certainty in regulations will provide a solid foundation for innovation and responsible growth in the industry while safeguarding the interests of investors. The SEC's response has generated mixed reactions within the crypto industry. Some view it as a positive step forward, signaling the SEC's willingness to engage with industry stakeholders and develop comprehensive regulations. Others express disappointment in the lack of immediate clarity, as regulatory uncertainty can hinder innovation and investment in the crypto space. Nevertheless, the response underscores the ongoing efforts to establish a clear regulatory framework that strikes a balance between fostering innovation and protecting investors. The SEC's response provides some clarity on the agency's stance and willingness to engage in dialogue. It presents an opportunity for Coinbase to further collaborate with regulators and provide input on potential regulatory frameworks. By actively participating in these discussions, Coinbase can help shape the future of the regulatory landscape and contribute to the establishment of clear guidelines for the industry. The industry will likely witness increased scrutiny from regulatory bodies as they seek to protect investors and prevent fraudulent activities. This could lead to more stringent KYC, Know Your Customer and AML, anti-money laundering requirements, as well as heightened enforcement actions against non-compliant entities. However, with proper regulatory oversight and compliance measures in place, the industry can build trust and credibility, attracting more institutional investors and mainstream adoption. That wraps up today's video on the SEC's response to Coinbase's request for regulatory clarity. Stay tuned to Bitcoin Dorks for more updates on cryptocurrency regulations and market news. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for